In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view in Freshdesk. Now, if you're managing a bustling help desk, being able to quickly access the right tickets is crucial. This is where views in Freshdesk come in handy. A view, in essence, is a custom filter that allows you to zero in on tickets that match specific conditions. You might use it to highlight high-priority tickets, see pending tickets that are assigned to you, or filter tickets from your VIP customers. Now, let's dive into how you can create one. First things first, you'll need to log into your Freshdesk account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on the Tickets tab. This is your central hub for all things ticket-related. Now, look at the top of your ticket list. Depending on the version of Freshdesk you're using, you should see either a new filter or an Add New View button. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the filter panel where the magic happens. Here, you'll set your conditions to narrow down exactly what you want to see with this view. For example, if you want to see only open tickets that are of high priority and assigned specifically to you, go ahead and set those conditions. Status should be open, priority should be high, and agent should be yourself. Once you've configured your conditions, it's time to give your new view a distinctive name. Something like High Priority, My Tickets might work perfectly to remind you what this view encompasses. After naming it, you'll need to make a quick decision about visibility. You can choose to keep this view private, so it's just for your eyes, or make it a shared view, allowing all agents on your team to access it. Once you've made your choice, click Save. And there you have it. Your new view is now accessible from the Views drop-down list located at the top of the Tickets page. This makes it incredibly easy to switch back and forth between different filtered ticket lists, all with just a click. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra tips to keep in your back pocket. If you ever need to tweak things or no longer need a particular view, you can edit or delete it at any time. Additionally, you can sort these views based on criteria such as the due date, created date, or priority, ensuring you always have the most relevant information front and center. Also, remember that admins have the power to establish shared views, providing a unified approach for the entire team to access the same curated lists of tickets. And that's all there is to it. Using views in Freshdesk smartly can drastically streamline your ticket management process, keeping you organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy filtering.